Welcome to the start of my Rome vlog. I'm coming at you from my flat. It's currently 1 a.m. and although our flight is not super early, it is around 8. If you know, you know, it does take a couple of hours from London to get to Stansted, and then you need to be in Stansted 3 hours before departure. We also got a bag that we need to check in. I low-key think the plan is to catch a National Express like in an hour or so, and then chill in Stansted until our flight. Let me quickly show you guys what the packing situation is like. I'm gonna show you my fit and then we're on the way out. So this is the current situation. Got a little carry-on for the both of us, and then this is my boyfriend bag. That one over there is my bag. I got it from Primark. There's a whole video about it if you guys want to know a bit more. All packed. Here's the fit. I'm wearing these thermal layer from Primark. I'm obsessed with these little Numa. This is literally so fun. Then belt, you guys know, is from Bershka. The pants are thrifted, but they're originally from Urban Outfitters. And then I'm wearing my new Dr. Martens. I really hope these don't do a number on me these days. By the way, I've done my hair with my new heat curler. It literally looks like I've got a blowout. I'm like obsessed. Let me quickly put my jacket on. I'll show you guys the final fit and then we'll go. And just like that, hoodie and jacket are on. I also have my little bum bag. I'm obsessed with this thing. I'm so happy it's back in my life. I might put a little scarf on, but other than that, I think we're ready to go. I don't know how much you guys are going to be able to hear me because it's pretty loud in here, but we made it to Sunset, ended up getting a Uber and then National Express. Didn't really vlog any of it because, not gonna lie, I was super tired, but we just had some breakfast and now we are pretty much waiting for the flight.
You said I'd missed my last chance, but I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? It might take some time to change you.
Oh my god, that was a very long journey. Let me just say the connections were not connecting and it took us a lot of time since we landed to arrive in the center of Rome, but we made it. We just checked into the hotel. I think it's super cute, so let me give you guys a tour. This is sort of what you first see when you walk in. The entrance door is over here for reference. I'm low-key very obsessed with these lamps. I think they're so cute. Also, this mirror is kind of sick. It's super big. I love it. Over here we have an open closet type of situation with a few hangers. A little coffee station, which I'm definitely the most excited for. I never tried grind, but I've seen it everywhere and I'm super excited to give it a go. And here we also have a few teas, which are always appreciated. How cute are these little mugs? Adorable. This is the little desk. They also hook us up with some water. That's very kind. Moving on this side, we have the bed. It does look very comfy indeed. Oh my god, I could sleep right now. It's been a day. I love the prints on the top as well. On this little side, we have another little table with a chair and a TV. I'm still yet to see the view, so let's check that out. I look, you don't think it's gonna be anything crazy, but let's see. Yeah, not the most aesthetic view. Next to the TV, there's this little number. Now right there is the door to the bathroom. Okay, so here's the bathroom. There's a mirror and a little sink area. I love the fact that they added all the necessities. And there's a hair dryer here as well. How sweet. I definitely look like I've been through it, so don't mind me. Toilet and the bidet are on this side. And then the shower is next to the door. Not a very big shower, but it'll do. That's comfy, right? I reckon we should do something productive with our day, and that is doing some seaside and also grabbing lunch because I'm low-key starving. I think we're gonna try this Trapezzino place, and I think it's close to here as well, so let's go.
Porte in chiusura. L'ascensore scende.
Questo è bellino.
Una aranciadora e una broccoli e salsiccia.
Cheers.
Ci ho messo il dito per vedere se era caldo.
You and me and an empty road. Maybe I can make it cross your mind. Jump back in, baby, go, go, go. Oh, I know that you've been asking about me. If I tried though to get you back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind. Maybe everything we can make it right. This take me back in your eyes, blinking at me like a caution.
Bello, effettivamente è proprio.
Non possiamo
Well done.
fare una salita così
Well
bella,
done.
con tanta luce,
Non c'era niente.
un cazzo sopra.
Some time to change your mind, I know. I wish I'd never let you go. Oh, I wish I'd never let you go. I wish I'd never let you go. I know you've been asking about me. If I tried though to take it all back, would you let me? Oh, it might take some time to change your mind.
Perché non si vede?
Ho spesso troppe cose, non si sarà... non
Sì,
si-
le esprimi non è spesso niente.
Che senso?
If you see it, I don't really need a single other reason to make you mine. It might take some
Stanco? Sì.
let you go. Oh, I wish I'd never let you go.
And down we go.
Molto più bello questo.
Hello vlog, it's officially Rome day 2. I don't think I ended up vlogging the rest of last night. The last thing I probably vlogged was in the Terrazza del Pincio. That was such a stunning viewpoint. If you go to Rome, you need to go there. It's like so beautiful. We ended up getting dinner in this Japanese restaurant nearby. They were doing all you can eat and we were literally super starving to start with and then super full to end. So yeah, that was very good. Like I said, did not vlog it because I was just not in the right mind. Basically only slept a few hours in the airplane, not even, like I don't think I slept at all. And so yeah, we're super crushed by the end of the day, but we got a good night of sleep and now we're back to do it all again. I got my phone here with the itinerary of today and I'm super excited. We're gonna see the Colosseum, Roman Forum, Palatine Hill, and then I think we're also gonna get to the Vatican Museum and see the Sistine Chapel. It's gonna be a fun one. Let me show you my outfit and then we're off the door. Oh, we need to go to breakfast first because I'm starving. I wanted to do a cute mirror moment because you guys know I'm obsessed with the mirror that we have in this room, but somehow we managed to make the room itself super messy, like literally one day. So here I am. The top, you guys have seen this before, is from Bershka. The skirt I think is from Stradivarius, and then of course I'm wearing my Dr. Martens. I only packed the shoes and these, bear in mind, are new Dr. Martens, so we'll deal with the consequences later. I'm also pretty sure that this French moment is gonna end as soon as we leave the hotel because it is quite windy outside, but I guess I'll take my chances.
I wonder if I changed my number. Wanna know, it's the coldest.
Ti devi sporcare il naso. Quando ti sporchi il naso non stai mangiando un modo.
Aspetta, quanto diverso.
Sì, anche io sinceramente.
Mi manca l'altro.
Approvata? Un bordello proprio di riconoscimento, cioè.
Crazy how fast it fades. Can't call you up when it's late at night. Can't call it love, but at least we tried. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a downhill dive. for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine. Is it miscommunication? Silence in between. One more awkward conversation where we don't say what we mean. We've been distant, waiting on the ice to break. Can we fix this?
So sadly it did start to rain, but I think that's a wrap with the Colosseum. Now we're on the way to go to the Romano Museum, so let's go.
Questa cosa è bellissima.
We made it to the forum now.
Can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if I can't call you mine.
Guarda, è pieno.
Can't call you up when it's late.
Il mio vlog a Roma.
Uccelli.
But at least we try. Can't call you a friend when I'm in my head on a
Il Foro Romano è un'area archeologica di Roma, costituita da edifici e monumenti.
proof for changing your mind. I still can't call it a waste of time. I don't know what to call you if
E pieno d'arancia.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. For falling for you. I should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. Never been this close to anyone, and I have never ever thought that I would be with you. I've packed my bag and left your house. I've opened up the front door by myself. I was gonna walk away when something told me not to go, to go. I couldn't go any further. I waited for you to come, but you didn't know. You left me standing. I walked away the way I've done before.